Welcome to learners. Practice 300 English words with clear pronunciation. Read a short paragraph to test yourself. Practice daily and grow confident in English.
My dear friend, to improve your pronunciation, listen carefully and repeat after the audio. Don't just watch the video, start practicing.
Dab. Sour. Stair. Wed. Onto. Rears. Dim. Harm. Popular. Venture. Wildly. Jump. Hex. Quad. Hen. Unless. Crunch. Ennui. Tasty. Gate. Apt. Key. Produce. Spent. Slide. Nag. Canvas. Cast. Valley. Mixture. In. Thirst. Fierce. Lisp. Magnet. Queue. Blonde. Spare. Curtain. Yule. Pole. Opera. Belong. Pet. Utmost. Urgent. Belt. Phrase. Toy. Plum. Guy. Pure. Rival. Pepper. Quack. Duel. Comedy. Gnaw. Sly. Cup. Panel. Roar. Olive. Monitor. Menu. Vendor. Favor. Xenia. Habit. Slim. While. Unity. Plate. Xerox. Become. Hour. Wilt. Xylidine. Needy. Beacon. Rhino. Mentor. Parcel. Hall. Trial. South. Lid. Zloty. Array. Laid. Relic. Coal. Roof. Jeans. Kit. Xerox. Eyeing. Rope. Gone. Qualm. Jade. Medal. Ease. Fang. Struck. Fee. Emend. Nap. Wetly. Xenopus. Veins. Nuke. Poem. Vex. Zesty. Skis. Pale. Law. Drum. Redo. Zloty. Drip. Pale. Guts. Silo. Vein. Grip. Wilt. Mule. Axis. Gasp. Coil. Fuse. Zulu. Gale. Lacy. Dawn. Fate. Vase. Hush. Glow. Vent. Oval. Lamb. Hemp. Gory. Fend. Slap. Pave. Zany. Fury. Saga. Lark. Purr. Emit. Fret. Veto. Zinc. Lump. Jolt. Pelt. Gaze. Vine. Dart. Gulp. Veil. Lawn. Halo. Vault. Yoke. Veil. Visa. Flap. Palm. Pint. Load. Wren. Plum. Hail. Grim. Glen. Die. Your. Gulf. Zips. Him. Jute. Limb. Wisp. Mop. Foil. fowl, twig, gate, flax, vest, use, flit, yarn, wade, peel, pike, veal, veer, leer, dusk, gash, lurk, zeal, slit, yank, lisp, furl, glue, yoga, hump, plow, vole, glee, gill, flop, hurl, zaps, gull, maze, yelp, Yule, vial, yawn, yoke, yell, zeta, zoom, zing, zoom, animal, beauty, chance, clever, future, genius, honest, impact, journey, leader, magic, nation, orange, puzzle, quails, random, spirit, travel, unique, voyage, winner, abroad, accept, arrive, author, bright, career, danger, debate, design, effect, effort, famous, finish, flight, forest, global, heaven, island, jungle, kernel, liquid, lounge, matter, memory, modern, nature, object, parent, people, planet, policy, public, quiver, reason, report, rhythm, secret, signal, silver, street, system, talent, verify, winner.
Congratulations! Now it is time for a self-test. We will give you a paragraph from the list of words provided. Just read it and rate your level.
At zesty dawn, a clever leader began his voyage across the misty valley, carrying a parcel of silver and ancient relics. A sudden gale shook his canvas tent, while a rhino cried wildly from the forest. He paused near the quay, staring at the broken gate, but his honest heart and utmost courage kept him moving. At a small inn, a kind vendor offered a tasty meal to ease his thirst. Though filled with danger, the journey felt like a puzzle. Yet with pure unity, he pressed forward, chasing the secret future glowing beyond fate.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We believe this video is tremendously useful to you. Please share it with your students, friends, and family members so they can also learn and benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple and practical English learning videos.